Hello friends, today I am going to do an activity using a coconut shell. It's nothing but a tortoise. So here I have taken a coconut shell and I have removed all the hairs over that coconut shell and I kept it clean. For doing this activity, I need some papers, preferably white color, glue, acrylic paint or the poster colors. So the colors could be green and black. So now I take some piece of papers and apply glue over that and now paste it gently over the shells. Here the single side paper or single side white sheet is more than enough, as we are going to apply glue in one side and color on the other side. So you have to press gently. So this activity can be done in two ways. The first one by applying the paint directly over the shell, and the second one is what I am doing now by using papers and painting over the papers. But personally, I would suggest to go with the second way because it gives the clear visibility of the tortoise, and kids will also enjoy doing that paperwork. So now I have pasted the entire shell with the white paper and it's ready for coloring. Before the coloring activity, I should do some marking over the shells so that the kids can color it properly. Just make a small outline over the shell using the pencil. So now we can start the coloring activity over the shell. First, color the entire shell with green color. So now the coloring is done with the green color. The entire shell is colored with green color paint. Now I am going to start with the black color coloring. Likewise, we can make the kids to paint with black color over the shell. So now it looks like a tortoise shell. So in the next step, we have to go for the tortoise head, its legs and a tail. So here we are going to use a green color paper. So over the green color paper, I am going to draw a head shape, 4 legs shape and also a tail. First I am going to draw them with a pencil. Then finally I am going to give an outline with a black sketch. If you are making the children to do this activity, we can make them to draw over the pencil mark. It's like an hand and eye coordination activity. Children will surely love doing this activity. So now the head, the 4 legs and a tail of a tortoise is ready. Now, cut them into separate parts. Finally, apply the glue over these parts, that is heads, legs and also the nail, and fix them beneath the shell. As I told you before, this activity can also be done with the paper, that is a plain paper, color with green color. If you are not able to buy any green color paper, you can do this in the either way. So now the tortoise is ready. Looking so cute, right? It's looking so cute. And it's ready to play, of course. Thank you.